Greetings to Arthur, our brave contender in today's wrapping challenge. And here's what he's up against: a Panama hat. Bingo, he got it right. Let's get this wrapped up. The hat's got a tricky shape, but Arthur finds a clever way to tackle it. He goes with tissue paper for flexibility, using 2 sheets to sandwich the hat. We could almost hear our heartbeats there. Arthur is definitely all in, determined to conquer this challenge. He makes his next move, adding a layer of wrapping paper, but how will it turn out? That's definitely an original approach, but hey, we're all in for creativity. Arthur adds one final detail, a warm message sticker to top it all off. And yes, you did it, Arthur. It looks cool, definitely unique, but in the best way. Keep wrapping, watch the next video, or grab your own stickers at Zephyr-Label.com.